You can also bulk edit and sync Tag Manager changes to multiple sites. So there's no need to replicate changes in each site anymore. I simply change a component in one template site and then sync it to other sites, and that's really easy. Let's take a simple example. The yellow columns are the ones that you can edit. In the tags overview, I can edit only a few columns, but if I want to, for example, change the custom dimensions or the code of tags, I can also do this here in the tag details tab. So let's say we want to change the consent type of this Piwik Pro generic event tag to analytics, and in this tag we want to change the priority to 100. You see, as soon as I edit, the edit delete column gets yellow. I can of course also delete tags that way. And then I can either just edit them in this particular site, so in the site called dim28ch by running edit delete tags, or I can edit and sync tags. And this is the magic of Piwik Pro Manager. Here on the right in all the tabs I have the sync in column, and here I can select other sites that should share the same setup. So what Piwik Pro Manager does, in these three other sites, in Lukas Testing 2, 3 and 4, it looks for tags that are named the same way as these two that I've just edited, and if it finds them, it updates them there as well. So you simply need to name tags, variables identically across sites, and then make sure that the sync in column has all the sites selected that you want to keep in sync with your so-called blueprint site. In this case, it's dim28. So let's take a look at that. We can easily just click to those tags. We see now it requires conversion tracking. We want to change that to analytics. And we'll look for the tag with the same name in another site, Lukas Testing 2. This is one of the sites that we are going to sync to. Here it also says conversion tracking, but if we want to be sure, let's go there and see. Yeah, it also requires conversion tracking. So by running edit and sync in just dim28, I don't have to do the edit there as well. I could, but I don't have to. But by running edit and sync, I can just directly change it here and in the other sites. So let's do that. Edit and sync. Okay, we're following the status bar and it has completed. Let's refresh. And we see the consent type in dim28ch has changed to analytics. How about Lukas Testing 2? Same here. So this is how syncing works.